And welcome to another Big Jimny video. In this short modification video I'm showing you how to do the grille upgrade to my SZ4 commercial. In the previous video, which is linked above, you'd have seen me talking about the accessories and the accessory packs available for the commercial and how poor the catalogue is. You'd have also heard me say that you can get hold of the packs from the old Jimny, what we'd call the SZ5, still in the parts catalogue. So I have bought the Urban Pack, and the Urban Pack includes a different front grille. So I'm sure you've all seen cars with sort of this style of front grille driving around on them. Well, it's available either separately or in the Urban Pack, and if you're thinking of doing the upgrade, I would strongly recommend you consider looking for the Urban Pack to get the best pricing. So let's have a quick look at how to put this on. It's a very simple job, a couple of screwdrivers and a little plastic pry bar to open up some of the fittings, and it should fit straight on. The first thing we have to do on either side is disconnect the indicators, which is this little connector tucked right up under the corner of the wing on either side. It's a little squeezy connector that you'd have to squeeze and pull. Typically they're quite stiff to get off. On what's the driver's side in the UK, or at least where the air intake is, you might want to just unbolt the air intake so that you can get better access to the bulb. Just inside the bonnet lip are these two little plastic pop-out buttons that you just need to pop up with a screwdriver, one each side. Then under the front of these two little turn clips, you turn them 1/4 turn to release them. And then by pulling at the front, you can pull the grille off of the car. Like so. With both grilles side by side, you then unscrew the indicator units and swap them between the grilles. With the indicators fitted to the unit, you simply press the whole unit back into place, carefully aligning all the little clips and pushing it in. You then refit the plastic clips at the top and turn the locking clips at the bottom and reconnect the indicators. 5 minutes later, you're done, your grille is fitted. If you like my videos, please press the like button, and if you want to get future notifications, please press subscribe. And until the next video, I'll catch you further down the road.